let's just pick news, Twitter, YouTube, photo gallery. I'm not going to do local news or events because probably not so much for Rihanna. Again, it just really depends what you want to do. There's different things. We can do push notifications, for example, photo gallery. Let's just do add mob as well. Let's see, why not? We'll do push. I'll leave off push notifications for now. And additional WYSIWYG tabs where people can go and put in like dynamic content or something. Did I get blog in there? Because if we could do a blog, we can actually get a feed. Yeah, I'm going to do a blog feed in there. Okay. I'm just going to click save. Master keyword, well, Rihanna, okay? Master address, this isn't applicable for Rihanna apps, so because we don't want to drive them back. We have a bonus which we're going to be giving some customers called List Building Explosion, and that's how to go use these apps in order to go build their lists. If that's the case, we're going to want to stick in, what URL we want to go redirect the people to go and opt in, or they can actually go paste their opt-in code directly in there. For now, I'm just going to leave it blank. Just click save and continue, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click the little customize button here. And you can see it's already filled in the keyword. And we can go ahead and change the icons here. We have like a bazillion icons that we've went and pre-installed. And these are the icons that like go down at the bottom of your iPhone or your Android. So let's just find one that's cool for news for Rihanna. It looks like a little news thing, okay? And we're just going to go save and continue. And then you can see here it's giving us a little cursory preview of what happens for the news feed. Okay, look, Rihanna escaped the London hotel fire. Isn't that really, really cool? All this different stuff. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so it's funny when you read about Rihanna news. Okay, so we're just gonna go return to the tab list there. Let's just go do the same thing for Twitter. It's keyword search or user account. I think Rihanna's user account is pretty cool. So let's just do save and reload, and you can see it's going to dynamically show in there what Rihanna's user account. You can see these little scroll bars here. Those won't show up in the actual app because obviously we can't have a touch screen, but just on the internet preview, that's what we see there. Okay, let's go back to the tab list. Photo search, Rihanna. I mean, we can do a little text and description. Right, this is just a general keyword search from Twitter. So I mean that's essentially what you're getting. You could also go and put photo groups from Twitter in there as well. There's Rihanna in concert, I guess in Germany or something like that. Okay. And next thing, YouTube search. Again, the same thing. We can go and search. We can search by keyword or by account. So this is obviously all the Rihanna videos. So they can go watch it on their phone. Okay. Blog feeds. This is very, very cool. This is actually cool. I went and have one right here actually. Oh, there it is, Ultimate Rihanna RSS. And we'll show your customers how to go find and search for really, really good feeds, okay? So we simply just go put that in there, and it's gonna go automatically display the blog feeds, okay? Give that a second to load. So you can see, what we've done here is we're creating, there it is, okay? Rihanna leaves her hotel and went to the gym. That's fantastic, okay? But for people that love Rihanna, they care about this stuff. Oh, on June, like the other day, Rihanna left her hotel wearing red. Okay, people that love Rihanna want to know this, and you're giving them the information. Okay, so what we've essentially done in all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things that we've done is we've created a Rihanna fan app. It's for people that love Rihanna, that want to keep updated with Rihanna, and want to go and have all the information in the same place. You're like, okay, great. So how are my customers going to make money with this? Okay, well, we can make money in two ways. We can go and charge for the app for people to download it. However, we don't recommend that generally unless you have your own special strategy. Our blanket strategy is you give these away for free, and you go and monetize via ad mob and push notifications, okay, which can do pretty well. Now, for some of you that are in the game, you say, well, I've tried ad mob and the results aren't great in it. Well, that's because you can't go build an app in 10 minutes. Okay, so if you went and spent $500, $100 building an app, and then AdMob only brings you in $5 a day, you're like, okay, great, well, that's a loss. However, if you spend 10 minutes building an app, and AdMob goes and brings you in $5 a day, you're like, damn, I'm gonna go build 20 more apps. I'm gonna get my outsourcer to go build a bunch of apps. Do you see my point? So you need to reframe yourself if you use AdMob. I know. It does make money in like that. And we also have the pay push notification networks, and you can also do your own push notifications on there, which is very, very cool. So in terms of AdMob, let me just go ahead and put in my AdMob ID here. We're just doing one in Android. So let's just type that in there. and then just put a filler in for add mob for publish for iOS. Do we want it at the top or the bottom? I like them at the top. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to go return to tab list and save and continue. Reorder the stuff. What order do you want it in? Save and continue. Very, very cool stuff. And here is your preview. There's the baby Rihanna. And here is a preview of what our app looks like. If this was a local business app, here on the front page, we'd have we could actually have a link right up here on the front page saying click to call or click to email or other different things. But in this app, we didn't because it's just a niche app. Okay, so instant access to everything Rihanna. There's, that tab brings you to the Rihanna blog. Wait for that to go and load. Rihanna videos. You know the drill. You know the drill. I mean, so what we've done in just a few minutes, in under 10 minutes, we've built a full-fledged niche app. Now, your customers, the ones who are just trying to figure out what's going on the internet and just want something that works, they're going to do well with this by following our directions by going and creating the niche apps. Okay, and the customers who know what they're doing and they're advanced and they know what to do with this, they're going to ravage this toolkit and they're like, I'm going to do this, this, and this, and this. Okay, then we're just going to go build app. We can do a preview, so we can load it directly under Androids, or we can do a release build, or we can just go preview it there online. Okay, so that and then there's the app. Then obviously there's the Apple profile and such. Okay, so that in a nutshell is SkyBuilder, and as you can see, it is bleeping cool. It's just incredible. There's absolutely nothing in the market like this. Myself and my partner Michael Sabatini, who's the mobile app wizard, we poured everything into this to go and create a completely breakthrough product in the industry. Now, you're going to want to promote during our launch. It is going to be an evergreen product. However, you are going to want to promote during our launch because your conversions are going to be a lot higher because, number one, you have the black hole effect. You have, person A sends 100 clicks and person B sends 100 clicks, but the sum of the sales is greater than each one because people on their list are getting both, so they get extra excited rather than just a single person going to promote it. In addition, we're doing some very, very special bonuses. We're having the SkyBuilders live event, which we're going to go, and the first 250 people to purchase the yearly license are going to get a ticket to SkyBuilders live. We have the $997 for the yearly license and the $147 for the monthly. People that buy the yearly do get a ticket to SkyBuilders Live, so that's an incentive for them to go and buy. In addition, the first 500 people to go and purchase for our launch are going to get our list explosion report, which is going to teach how to go and build up your list using SkyBuilder. And the first 1,000 people to go get in on this launch are going to get access to a live webinar training series. We haven't figured out the sexy name for it. It's going to be sexy name webinar training series for SkyBuilder. We're going to do a bunch of stuff live and get some very, very cool special guests on there. So. And not to mention the incredible contest, $30,000 or a black Rolex for first place, and then on down the line. Then we're going to have a bunch of other special contests. I think opening day, we're going to have some special opening day contests as well. Big Jason is helping me with the launch, so Big Jason will go ahead and tell you about that. Listen to everything Jason says. He is the freaking man. I'm just so excited. He came to work with